Installing Disney Plus on your Hisense TV depends on which operating system your TV uses. There are several methods available depending on your specific model. Most Hisense TVs run either Vita OS or Android TV. Each system has a different method for installing Disney Plus. For Vita OS, first ensure your TV software is updated to version 2.5 or later. The Disney Plus app should appear directly on your Vita home launcher as shown here. For Android TV models, you can download Disney Plus directly from the Google Play Store. Simply navigate to the store, search for Disney Plus, and install the app like any other Android application. If Disney Plus isn't available directly on your Hisense TV, external streaming devices offer an excellent alternative. These devices connect via HDMI and provide access to all major streaming services. Setting up these devices is simple. Connect the device to an available HDMI port, plug in the power cable, and switch your TV input. Then follow the on-screen instructions to complete setup and install Disney Plus. This diagram shows the typical connection setup. The streaming device connects to your TV via HDMI and to power via the included adapter. Once connected, you'll have access to Disney Plus and hundreds of other streaming apps. Whether your Hisense TV runs Vita OS, Android TV, or you choose an external streaming device, you now have multiple ways to enjoy Disney Plus content on your television. When Disney Plus doesn't work as expected on your Hisense TV, there are several troubleshooting steps and alternative methods you can try. First, let's go through the basic troubleshooting steps. Start by checking your internet connection to ensure it's stable and fast enough for streaming. Next, make sure your TV's software is up to date. You can check this in your TV's settings menu under System Updates. If the app still isn't working, try reinstalling the Disney Plus app completely. This often resolves compatibility issues. You can also try clearing the app's cache and data, which removes temporary files that might be causing problems. As a last resort for Android TV models, you can perform a hard reset, but this will erase all your settings and installed apps. If troubleshooting doesn't solve the problem, there are several alternative ways to access Disney Plus on your Hisense TV. The first alternative method is connecting your PC or laptop directly to your TV using an HDMI cable. This gives you full access to Disney Plus through your computer's web browser. Screen mirroring allows you to display your Android phone, tablet, or PC screen directly on your TV. You can then open Disney Plus on your device and watch it on the big screen. Some Hisense TVs have built-in web browsers that can access Disney Plus directly. However, this method may not provide the best viewing experience compared to the dedicated app. These alternative methods ensure you can always access Disney Plus content on your Hisense TV, even when the dedicated app isn't working properly. Choose the method that works best for your setup and preferences.